Everyone thinks a Santa suit is just a costume. Today, we reveal the secrets of a royal masterpiece. Hand-cut velvet, reinforced seams, colors that blaze like winter fires. Built to last, easy to wear. Comfortable, authentic, and stage-ready. Versatile sizing for performers and events. Every detail earns its crown. This is the birth of a legend at the Makology. Royal Santa suit for believers, makers, and masters of the season. We begin with 350 GSM Royal Red Velvet. Dense, luxurious, made to be seen and felt. It doesn't just absorb light. It reflects a deep, regal glow that withstands the test of time. The texture's so rich, it demands respect. Soft to the touch, with a confident drape and enduring body. Watch crimson deepen to maroon under warm studio lights. Color fast, resilient, ready for daily wear and interiors. For textile makers, designers, and decorators. Premium velvet for gowns, upholstery, drapes. Versatile elegance you can trust. Dimensions define majesty. We use dynamic drafting. Precision meets artistry. Add 10 inches of extra ease for a silhouette natural yet imposing. Rulers and compasses move with surgical precision. Every mark has purpose. No guesswork. Clean geometry saves time and fabric. Versatile across fabrics. Shaping stays true from silk to wool. Every line drawn is a step toward perfection.
From raw velvet to the world's most famous suit, watch precision become magic. We cut this deep royal red velvet along the grain for a flawless glow. 350 GSM richness means every fiber lays perfect. Every panel holds shape and warmth.
The legendary silhouette begins to take shape. We are double reinforcing the shoulders and chest of this Santa jacket to support the immense weight of a heavy gift sack. Sewn-in reinforcement tape locks seams, preventing sagging under Santa's heavy sack. Durable materials, reinforced stitching, and weather-resistant finish. Comfortable fit for long shifts. At the Makology, we ensure the structure is as strong as the spirit of Christmas itself. Now for the white magic. We use grade A faux fur. The secret? Using a surgical blade on the backing, it keeps every strand intact for a pristine, snowy aesthetic. We cut only the skin side, never the hairs. Result: cloud-soft texture, cruelty-free, durable, and easy to care. Perfect for luxury fashion, home accents, and bespoke design. The collar is the crown. We use a blind stitch technique so no thread is visible, making it look as if fresh snow has naturally settled on the red velvet. This is the peak of elegance.
Santa's movement must be effortless. We are integrating free motion gussets under the arms of this red jacket. This innovative design ensures that when he reaches out to deliver gifts, the coat doesn't ride up. No more awkward bunching or restrictive movement during those long nights of gift delivery. Experience the difference that superior design makes in holiday performance and comfort. Perfect for professionals who demand both style and functionality during the holiday season.
A Santa suit is incomplete without the perfect trousers. Let's build the magic from the fabric up. We use a wide balloon cut for maximum mobility, allowing full range of movement during performances. Watch as we create the comfortable wide elastic waistband for that perfect Santa silhouette. Massive reinforced pockets are sewn into the seams, perfect for carrying magical items and accessories. These heavy-duty pockets provide both functionality and that authentic Santa look performers demand. Professional quality that's durable, comfortable, and ready to make your holiday performances unforgettable.
The belt is the anchor of the legendary red coat. Precision punched holes deliver a versatile, easy-to-fasten fit. We are riveting a massive, solid brass buckle onto 4-inch wide, genuine black leather. This isn't just an accessory. It's a symbol of authority that cinches the Santa suit together with strength and undeniable quality. Built for durability, stylish presence, and a comfortable, secure fit. Crafted for Christmas cheer, it begins with rich red velvet, a snug band of snowy faux fur, soft, cozy, and durable. We shape the long conical crown, built to fit all sizes. Skip flimsy, scratchy hats. Choose craftsmanship. No Santa is complete without his hat. We are hand-stitching a dense, fluffy white pom-pom onto the tip, balanced to swing with every nod in his legendary ho ho ho.
True luxury stays hidden. We are lining the interior of this Santa jacket with temperature-regulating royal satin. It keeps Santa comfortable from North Pole winds to a warm fireplace, and lets the heavy red velvet glide perfectly over his frame. Crafted for professionals. Festive design, superior comfort, and eye-catching details.
To achieve that world-famous jolly look, we add air poly padding to the chest and belly. We aren't just stuffing fabric, we're sculpting the rounded shape of Santa. Each fiber is placed to create a heartwarming, jolly silhouette. Lightweight air poly keeps the suit breathable, comfortable, and easy to wear. Durable velvet and lining, vibrant traditional colors, built for busy holiday events. Air poly brings Santa to life, authentic, iconic, and ready for the season. From a single thread to a legendary masterpiece, this is how we build the spirit of Christmas at the Makology. The complete Santa Claus suit is now ready to make history. To uncover more secrets of world-class craftsmanship, like and subscribe. Keep the magic alive. Merry Christmas.